So step one, to start a business on HighLevel, you'll need a HighLevel account. In this video, I assume you already know what HighLevel is. I make bunch of videos about this. I make weekly updates on the latest features that are coming out to HighLevel. But basically, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. I use it for my clients and my website as well, my agency. I manage my CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, the whole automation part, the follow-ups. I manage my funnels and my website, and I do the same for the clients. I also manage the blogs, the SEO part, and in the video you'll see everything you need to know about HighLevel. But here's a quick overview that I really like is how many tools it gets into one software. So HighLevel is starting at $97 per month. That's the first plan you can use. And it's going to have the CRM, sales funnel, website builder, survey and form builder, email marketing, workflow automation. You can create courses, you can create certifications, track call, track calls, reputation management as well. You can collect reviews from customers from your email list, great analytics. You can build communities as well. I'm really big on school, but you can also build communities inside HighLevel. So it's great. It's just great. I recommend you to use it. There's currently two main prices. There's also a $500 plan, but you can start with the starter. $97 per month is going to enable you to create 3 sub accounts, and then you can update to the unlimited plan. It's best because you will have unlimited sub accounts that you can create. And why would you need unlimited accounts? Because you can also sell sub accounts on HighLevel. So you can make it as a business. You sell HighLevel and then you tell them, hey, you don't need to start off with the starter plan. I just give you a sub account for $70. So you save some money and you already get to try. So inside this video or this course, wherever you see this, in the description, I'm sure you'll find a link that's gonna give you a free trial to HighLevel. That's my link, that's my affiliate link. I want to be transparent with you. But if you sign up with my affiliate link, you'll also get my personal attention. I support you on the way during the free trial. And also, you'll get my bonuses. You get free access to my paid school community. So let's start. The first step is you need that link, and that's where you sign up. So there's a 14-day free trial. First, you need to put in the company name, full name, email address, and phone number. So just fill out a simple form. Now, it's gonna be an example. So I'm gonna do example, and then my name is business owner. And then you'll actually need a valid email address. So I just use a burner email. Hopefully I don't forget to to hide this. But let's this one it might be taken actually. Let's try this one. And then my phone number is going to be hopefully also hidden. So once you have all the information filled out, let's go to step 2. So step 2 is where you select your plan. You can either start with the starter plan or the unlimited plan, whatever works. Let's just do the starter plan, and then you need to enter your payment information, your card number, and then you need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you are ready to start your free trial. Alright, so this is the first screen after you create your agency account. This main account is going to be called your agency account. This is where you manage your sub accounts, your business information. So first you need to set up a password. You have to keep it safe, so you need to use uppercase, lowercase, number, special character. So I just use some random one. Alright, let's continue. Now you receive a verification code to your email. So let me use my phone actually. Check the code. I just sent a code. Next, you receive a code to your phone number. I'm actually recording on my phone, so let me just check. This is the number. Okay. Next, you'll have to enter a billing address. This is for compliance purposes, and then they are going to send the invoices to this address. So it should be your company address. I'll just use whatever information now. And then how do you plan to use HighLevel? Yeah, the answer doesn't really matter. So as a business owner, yes. Do you plan to resell? Yes. Why not? What industry are you in? Let's say I'm in the coaching industry. I have 4 to 9 customers, and then just build my pipeline. All right, so now you can set up your account, and then you'll also receive an onboarding call from the HighLevel team. You can join a Zoom call, or you can just skip it and go to your account already. All right, that's all for today. In the description, you are going to find 2 links. The first is going to be my free school community, and it's completely free. And if you are looking for something more, there's a 14-day free trial to HighLevel, and it's also going to give you a free access to my paid community. So you can grab the free trial using the link in my description, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.